Welcome back to mahamcrafty channel. Guess the country by hint. Test your skill by answering the hint before starting. Please subscribe this channel. Let's start with this easy hints. This country is famous for the Eiffel Tower. Yes, France. Known for pyramids and the Nile River. Yes, right answer. Egypt has the Great Wall and the Forbidden City. Right, China. Known for the Taj Mahal. Yeah, right, India. Home of Mount Fuji and sushi. Yeah, Japan. Famous for kangaroos and the Great Barrier Reef. Good, yes, Australia. Land of football, samba, and Amazon rainforest. That's right, Brazil. Known for Big Ben and the royal family. Right, United Kingdom. Famous for windmills, tulips, and canals. Oh good, yes, Netherlands. Known for the Eiffel Tower's rival, the Atomium. Yes, Belgium. Known for maple syrup and Niagara Falls. Yeah, true, Canada. 12 hosts Mecca and Medina, holy cities in Islam. Yeah, Saudi Arabia. Famous for the Colosseum and pasta. Yes, Italy. Known for its Viking history and fjords. True, Norway. Land of K-pop, kimchi, and high-tech cities. Yeah, right, South Korea. Home to Machu Picchu and the Incan Empire. Yes, Peru. This country's capital is Berlin, and it was once divided in two. Yes, good, Germany. Known for Table Mountain and its diversity. True, South Africa. Famous for chocolate, Alps, and neutrality. Yes, Switzerland. Known for its iconic opera house and the city of Sydney. It's true, Australia. Famous for its castles, bagpipes, and Loch Ness Monster legend. That's right, Scotland. This country borders both Europe and Asia and was once ruled by sultans. Right answer, Turkey. Has the city of Nairobi and is famous for wildlife safaris. Yes, answer, Kenya. Known for the Kremlin and Red Square in Moscow. Yes, Russia. This country is known as the land of 1,000 lakes. Yes, right answer, Finland. Home to ancient philosophers like Plato and Aristotle. Yeah, right answer, Greece. This country is made up of thousands of islands and has Jakarta as its capital. Yes answer, Indonesia. Thanks for watching.